Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome back. If this is not, my name is Mosu and welcome to More Living Life. So today I have, as you would have seen from the thumbnail and title, I have a one-bedroom apartment tour for you here in Lagos. And I'm currently in this apartment. It's a short-let apartment, and I've been here since yesterday, and I'm going to take you around the apartment, show you what it looks like, and any more details you need, like how much this costs per night. I will have that in the description below. So please like this video if you enjoy it, share if you know someone that is looking for something like this December, and even beyond December. Just, it's a short let apartment where you can rent it daily or for a long-term period, like monthly. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys around with me. Unfortunately, I thought my friend would be here to like help hold the camera while I go around, but she's not. So it will just be me behind the cameras, showing you. I'm going to go outside now because it's a really nice compound. I want to show you what all of that looks like, and then we'll come in together. So yeah, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're not. If you've been here before and you're back, I'm guessing you like my content, so please subscribe because I have more of this type of content, and then lifestyle, travel, all that good stuff. Anyways, yeah, let me stop rambling and take you guys around this lovely apartment. Bye. We're outside now, in the compound, and the sun is sunning, but yeah, this is what it looks like. So there's security house here, there's trees. It's pretty. Up there there's like oh wow, the dust. It's being windy right now, sorry. A little sitting area, but that's not where I am, so I don't have access to that. But yeah, this building has some apartments, and oh wow, the breeze. And then there are also some big apartments in the building behind, and I'm staying in the building behind. But yeah, there are 9 apartments in total, and yeah, so this is the way to where I'm staying. There's a pool. I'm not sure it's been cleaned today. I can't swim anyway, so I'm not sure why I'm bothered. But yeah, it's a really pretty outdoor area. They're currently cleaning. Really pretty. Also, the environment is really serene, as you can hear. There's not a lot of noise. There's no street noises and stuff. But yeah, the pool functioning, and yeah, like I said, they're currently doing some cleaning. I think some people just checked out of this apartment. So yeah, there's 2 apartments down here, and we're going to go up to mine. Upstairs now, and so this is the view from up here. I get a bit of a view, if you can call it that. It's nice, I like it. And yeah, let us go into my apartment. So this particular one is called the Lighthouse, and yeah, let's go in. So it's a 1-bedroom apartment, like I mentioned, and when you come in, this is what you see. It's cozy, it's cute and cozy, and I really love the design, the interior design work. So yeah, this is the living area. I was watching a vlog, ignore my tripod, but yeah, this is what it looks like. There's this it's a 4 plant, but it works, to be honest. And the sofa is here, a center table, rug. There's some decor here. I really like this too. I think more things could be put here, so I'm guessing they're still, this is this apartment just opened up this this week, so yeah, they're still getting some things together. But anyways, yeah, this is, oh, I love the lights, so I actually never noticed that. I really like this light also. And yeah, so to my right is the kitchen area. So it's an open kitchen, but it's like, it's sectioned away. It's small, but it's functional. It's not your permanent house. So now this fridge, as you can see, there's a space here. The fridge is meant to be here, but the electrician is currently around his. So yeah, I was saying that the electrician is currently working here right now. But I needed to get this tour done out of the way because I have some stuff I'm doing. But anyways, this is the refrigerator. It's meant to be here. I think if it gets done before I leave, before evening, I will put a clip of what it looks like and what this space should look like. But let's just let me talk you through. Ignore the paper bags. I went shopping. I have some stuff. So this is the sink, and then this is the gas cooker. There's also the extractor, which is necessary with a space like this. There's storage. Okay, more storage. Up here there's glasses and cups, and yeah, like I said, more things are being added to the apartment. Let me show you what the fridge looks like. So I have juice and gin because I have some friends coming over this evening, and I bought some other stuff for them too. I got cocktails. I got water, tonic for the juice, also for the gin because I don't do juice and gin. Then some snacks, more chocolates, and more alcohol because yeah, why not? Anyways, let us go into the bedroom now. So yeah, see, one of my favorite things about this space is the lights, and I will show you what I mean. This is just one angle, but yeah, let's go in. So the first thing you see on the left when you come in is this workstation that I really like. My laptop is there right now because once I'm done with this, I'm going to edit. I have like 3 videos in line that I have not, let me not digress. But anyways, there's the workstation here, really cute, small. Then there's storage, air conditioning there, air conditioner. There's storage, the iron, and yeah, so when you move further, I really like this shade of green because it's not really green. There's like a gray tint to it. I don't know. I like it. It's not. I don't like green. And I really like the gray curtain also. So yeah, this cute place with the lights is where the wardrobe is. I just currently have my stuff there, and yeah, it's all storage space basically. Nothing to see there, to be honest. Just storage space, and it works really. It's sufficient for me, and I'm sure it will be even if you're staying here for like a week or 2. Now let me show you the other side of the room. So yeah, it's my favorite part of the room. Just this huge mirror. Ignore me, just pretend I'm not here. But do you see this huge, I took off my wig. See this huge mirror? I love it. I so much love it. So when I turn this way, I have the bed in, and oh sorry, the lights are not on. All the lights are not on, I mean. Yeah, this is the real thing. See that light there? So cute. Then the lights behind the wood thing, really cute. I love the headboard also. It's so nice. So yeah, this is the name of the apartment in case you're wondering. 99 apartments. And yeah, there's a towel here. Yeah, shits and all of that. There's also a large screen TV here, which I love because I love watching TV in bed. So even at home too, I have that, and I really like that. And there's the console. Yeah, just a really cute space in all. Like, it's just so cute. I'm back in the parlor because I realized I forgot to show you the guest toilet. There's a guest toilet which makes sense since the other toilet is in the room, and if you have people over like I will be having soon, they can use this bathroom instead of going into the room if they don't want to. And another thing I really like, I told you the lights, so this one here, do you see that? So cute. And also it changes. See, oh, this is so nice. But yeah, this is the guest bathroom. It is spacious enough, like rightly sized or right size. I don't even know what I'm saying, but let's go into the other bathroom. That's the last space we'll be looking at. So we're now going into the bathroom, the main bathroom, and can you guys see how huge it is? Anyway, so we walk straight and there's another of the same mirror. Yep. The sink, storage space here, and okay, just piping. Oh, I like this black blind. Yeah, nice. So yeah, to this side is the toilets, and then there is also a bathrobe here, tiny towel, and this is what the shower looks like. I really like the black detail. It is really huge. Like 4 people can shower here. I don't know why 4 people are showering together, but just in case. Um, shower head, and I really like this matte black. Huh, so nice. Yeah, and then there's water heater like you would expect. So yeah, that's what this whole space looks like. So I'm just going to go back to work, and basically thank you guys so much. Let me come to the mirror here and speak. So thank you for watching this brief tour. I feel like it will be a very short video. I hope you like the space as much as I do, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will answer you. So yeah, please like, share, subscribe, turn on your notifications for more content like this, and also just help encourage me to create more content like this. So yeah, if you have any questions, like I said, ask me, I'll answer you. That's all for now, and I will see you in my next video, which will most likely be a vlog, and it will be a vlog about this space this week entirely. So me being here and all I'm getting up to, and also back to December shenanigans. So bye.